Dah.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today, we as Group 21 would like to talk and explain about our research called BERT and LSTM Algorithm Comparison to Predict the Truth of Natural Disaster Tweets based on Twitter dataset. Before we continue our presentation, we would like to introduce the members of our group consisting of me as Hanson Kurniawan. Next, we have Satya Paramita Samanta Surya. And last, we have Calvin Lim. So the first slide is, what is Twitter? Twitter is a social media application that can connect individuals or groups by sending messages to each other via the tweet feature. Besides being able to be used as a communication tool, Twitter can also be used to send various kinds of news and business. Twitter can be accessed anywhere as long as the user brings a smartphone. If the user does not have a smartphone, Twitter can also be accessed via the website. The tweet can be a regular message in the form of text, video, or photos. Next slide. So the next slide is we're gonna talk about the problem with Twitter. Sometimes posts on Twitter contain words that makes the reader ambiguous. In our current study, the problem we are facing is predicting the truth of tweets about natural disasters based on the Twitter dataset. We did this research because there are many tweets that people might misunderstand. Therefore, this study aims to overcome this problem by relying on machine learning, BERT, and LSTM. Both machine learning can help us in predicting the truth of tweets. That way, we can be more sure about the truth of the tweet. So the solution, the first one, is using machine learning such as BERT and LSTM. The second one, train both algorithm and see the overall performance of BERT and LSTM. And the last one is decide which one has the highest accuracy. The next slide will be presented by my fellow friend.
Okay, and the next one is the method. The research began by reading the data first, and the next step testing the data so it can be used for the next step that is about to train the model between BERT and LSTM. Both model will process the data and will give us the result of the prediction. After that, we can compare between the BERT and LSTM which one will predict more accurately. Next slide. And the next slide is the algorithm used on this paper. The first one is the BERT. BERT is probably the most popular transformer. It has been the most effective model in a while. BERT is trained to predict whether the second sentence was the one after the first sentence in the original text. This type of training is called NSP, next sentence prediction. And the second one is LSTM. It's a modification of the repetitive neural network or RNN. The LSTM is able to remember a collection of information that is stored for a long time, as well as to delete information that is no longer relevant. LSTM is more efficient in processing, predicting, as well as classifying the data based on a certain time sequence. And the next one is the architecture. Okay, and the next one will be presented by Satya.
Okay, so here we have the dataset. So on this paper, there are two kinds of dataset that are being used. The first one is train.csv to train the model, and the second one is test.csv. Here we have the examples for train.csv dataset, and we also have some examples from test.csv dataset. So these datasets are from Twitter, and it is used to train and test both algorithms. So the results is from testing the BERT algorithm. The result shows that the training accuracy is 88.19 and the validation accuracy is 81.22. Finally, the F1 score of the algorithm for both training and validations are 85.43% and 78.10%. While testing the LSTM algorithm, the training accuracy acquired is 86.2 and the validation accuracy is 76.97. The F1 score of the LSTM for both training and validations are 82.1% and 66.63%. So the best performance that was achieved by observing and seeing the results of both BERT and LSTM algorithms is BERT. In the table, BERT managed to get 85.43% accuracy in training. So we have arrived for our conclusion. So Twitter is a social media platform where users can express their thoughts to the public or upload posts. Sometimes on Twitter, a lot of posts have some words that are a little ambiguous. Therefore, we conducted research on BERT and LSTM in predicting disasters in Twitter posts. After comparing the results of the performance of the two algorithms, BERT got the better results compared to LSTM. So BERT can predict disasters better and more accurately than LSTM.
I think that's all for our presentation. If there's any mistake we have made during this presentation, we're terribly sorry. Thank you everyone for your attention and have a nice day.